Hello everyone, in this video let's use different objects to monitor our analog output. Let's start with the progress bar from the Common Controls tab. I'm gonna drag and drop this to my screen. Let's resize the progress bar and let's link this progress bar to our A00 analog output by selecting it, and here on the variable option let's select our A00. So as our A00 is a 0 to 10 VDC analog output, let's monitor the value divided by 3000.0, so I can have the value in 0 to 10 volts. The minimum value and the maximum value is going to be 0 to 10. And if you want, you can change the style from blocks to a bar. Now let's add a new object. I'm gonna change the tab to the measurement control tabs. Let's select meter 90 degrees. Okay. So in the value option for our meter 90 degrees, I'm gonna select A00 divided by 3000.0, so I can see the value from 0 to 10 volts. Okay, here in the scale option, I'm gonna change the scale start to 0 and the scale end to 10, and the main scale I'm gonna change this to 5, and I'm gonna go back to my scale end and select 10. So it will show 0, 5 volts and 10 volts. And let's remember to divide it by 3000 to have the value from 0 to 10 VDC. Okay, now we can log in into our PLC to see all the objects. Okay, so here you have the analog output value in a text field. Here you have the analog output value in a progress bar and in a meter. So if I change the value, you can see that the value changes in all the objects, in all the graphical objects. And you can see here that they are all adjusted to see the value from 0 to 10 volts, which is the scale of our A00 analog output.